Dana here, and welcome to my blog. And you know, when I buy something, I'm going to do a video on it. And I was looking for a new way to brush my teeth. And this is a continuation of unboxing the MYST. Now, I normally use the Oral-B rechargeable battery, rechargeable toothbrush, and this, of course, you've probably seen it because it's come through your Facebook ads and YouTube ads and stuff like that. So I said, hey, sounds like a good idea. 360 ultrasonic electric toothbrush, brushing and whitening, revolutionary hand-free oral health technology. So I decided I'm going to go ahead and purchase it, $100, and let's see how this is going to work. I know right off the bat I'm going to be using like 4 times the amount of toothpaste. See, install the U-shaped brush head on the body. It already came installed, as this will come right off. I don't know. Yeah, there you go. It'll come off, and then this is what you got. Slide that back on there. All right, so that's on there. So you're gonna want to soak that thing. Try and keep it clean. And let's see, color white, voltage DC, number 3 down. Okay, let's see, unique head brush made of food grade, designed for 360 degrees, 4 operational settings: intense mode, thorough and deep cleaning, gentle mode for comfort, brushing and sensitive teeth, massage mode to promote gum care and gum health, and number 4 is brighten mode, tooth whitening, automatic memory function, intelligent memory will automatically remember the last mode that you were in when you shut it down. 1PX7 waterproof design, can be cleaned and reused. Be safely used in the bath or shower. Omnidirectional toothbrush, once activated, takes 30 seconds to complete 360 degrees. Full brush movement, quick and convenient, and has a wireless base, which, there we go right here. And when it's charging, let's see, when it's charging, boy, this thing lights up. You got a nice night light, believe me. I don't know, maybe it'll do it when it's a nice night light. Alright, so I've been charging this thing, and we're gonna see the first one. See if that's your number 1. You can hear your vibration. Number 2, number 3, that's your massage mode. Number 4, and let's see, 1 intense, 2 gentle, 3 massage, and 4 brighten mode. I guess it's being straight on light, and you got whitening. I guess it's ultraviolet or something, supposed to whiten your teeth, you know. And then hold it, and it'll shut off. Alright, so let's go ahead and try this. I haven't brushed my teeth today, and it says put a round around on both sides. I'm putting them on the actual brushes, but like I said, that's like 3 times the amount. 3 times the amount of toothpaste. Okay, I'm going to stick it in my mouth, right? We're going to do the first one here. fire up my tie-it here. Cleaning noise. Tie-it fires up and in a couple seconds that'll wash itself. There we go. And I'm going to purify. I'm just using regular H2O. Just going to get it wet. Okay, ready? Here we go. There's the top and bottom. Oh, it don't look like it. Okay, it doesn't seem like it's going back to my back of my molars. A lot of room. A lot of room in my mouth. I don't feel it touching my teeth. I don't feel any change here. Let's go gentle mode, two clicks. Apply toothpaste evenly on the inside of the top and bottom of the U-shaped brush. For best results in whitening mode, use a whitening gel. Wet the mouth tray, then insert in your mouth. I haven't changed anything here.
Water comes out. Water supply is suspended. Clean water comes out.
Huh.
Clean water comes out.
I'm not getting any results here. I'm not getting the clean results I want.
Water supply is suspended.
Let me try.
Purified. Water supply is suspended.
You're gonna have to put, let's see. Like I said, they want you to put double amount in the tray. It's almost half a thing of toothpaste right off the bat. Okay, and get it wet. Get the tray wet.
Clean water comes out. Water supply
Let's try it again.
is suspended.
Huh. It's not doing what I'd like it to do. It says after brushing your teeth, rinse toothbrush, move excessive water before storing. Yeah, once you get it in there, the toothpaste is in there. It's going to take a little bit to take it out to clean it. Pull that off. And it says don't use it more than 10 minutes at a time. You see, that's going to take longer than that. My teeth they don't feel that clean. I'm going to use the toothpaste out of the tray on my regular toothbrush. They recommend, they want you to use, even the Oral-B, they want you to use it 2 minutes. This has got a vibration every 30 seconds. Well, I don't know. I'm gonna use the toothbrush right now. Clean this tray out. I don't know, guys. You can try it, but I'm disappointed. I use my Oral-B to clean out the tray.
Water supply is suspended.
Yeah, now after using the Oral-B, of course, I got that nice smooth, nice and smooth feel like your teeth. Feel like they're clean, right? Yeah, I'm not getting it with this. I'm not getting it with this. I'm not happy. I'm gonna get back with them. Say, hey, maybe you gotta design different size teeth. Everybody's mouth is different. So I'm definitely not feeling it. I'm definitely not feeling it back in the back of my mouth. I'm not happy. I have to get back with the other. The other thing is you're going to be spending a fortune in freaking toothpaste. You know, you just put a dab on the end of your Oral-B and you go to it. This thing here, you see the size of that tray? They want you to fill that tray with toothpaste. And I don't. That's a lot of toothpaste, and it's not cleaning my teeth. So I think right now we're stuck. I think we're stuck using a regular toothbrush, and you know, this thing's going around probably about 300 times a minute. Vice a manual toothbrush, it's not doing anything. So if they want you to run this 2.5 minutes or 2 minutes at a time, how many times have you got to use a regular toothbrush? But then again, you know, depending on how hard the bristles are, you're grinding your teeth. So I definitely recommend using the lightest, the softest bristles you can on your teeth. Do the same job. But, all right, well, I gotta fail the mist for right now. I need to get in touch with them and find out what's going on with this. And yep, you flunked. So you do is take the little cover that comes with it and put it over that, and keep the dust and the dirt out of it. But all right, well, there we go. That was the functional of the mist. 360 ultrasonic electric toothbrush. Man, I was excited. Oh man, I was really excited. So unfortunately, I gotta flunk it. So I'm gonna get in touch with representative on here and find out what the deal is. Okay, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and we will catch you on the next Dana Crosby's vlogs and life after 60. I really thought I had a new toothbrush after 60, but as of right now, ain't happening. But if you want a fantastic nightlight, there you go.